Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by placing a title clip where you want the color change. Open the title's browser and add the appropriate preset, or press Ctrl+T to drop a default title. This gives you editable text immediately. Once the clip is selected in the timeline, open the inspector so you can modify font, size, and color. Make sure the playhead sits over the title so the inspector shows the text parameters. These steps get you to the exact controls you'll use to change color precisely. Now you change the color itself. In the inspector, go to the Text tab and open the Face Color Swatch. You can pick a color with the built-in color picker, type RGB/HEX values for exact matches, or use the eyedropper to sample from your frame. Select what contrasts best against the background. Once chosen, modify opacity or add an outline or glow to improve readability. These adjustments help the text remain visible across different clips and lighting conditions. Finish by playing the sequence and exporting a brief test to confirm the color appears as intended in different players. If the text color looks off, make sure your project's color space and your monitor profile aren't shifting hues, and verify the title's blend mode isn't altering appearance. Once you diagnose the issue, reapply the sampled color or paste exact HEX/RGB values for consistency. If contrast still fails, add a subtle shadow or outline. This almost always fixes legibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.